I'm Dean from Pete's Equipment, and we're here with the Avant 760i, and this is a GT cab, so it has a few extra creature comforts in here. So you got a heated seat, you got the Optidrive, you got the anti-slip, it's got the 8-function joystick. Cool part about these little mini compact loaders, they have a telescoping boom. They'll pick up a tremendous amount of weight, and they have about 200 attachments. Part of the awesome features that this machine has is the hydraulics. The connections here, it's a nice little pod that it has. Every attachment has its own little pod of hydraulics. It comes in here with your little set pins. You pull it in and you lock it back. These are a great little unit. This one here is about a 56 horsepower Kohler engine. They're just amazing little units. If you can think of an attachment, they most likely make them.